Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining glue and water to create a uniform base. This thins the glue so the activator can work evenly. Add color now, because once activated it resists blending. Mix until smooth, then sprinkle baking soda and stir in. This raises pH and primes the polymers. Once done, pour contact solution slowly while stirring. You will see strands form. Make sure to stop when mixture pulls away from sides. You want tacky but cohesive. Now you need to work the slime. Knead with your hands for several minutes so cross-links form and excess liquid distributes. If it feels sticky, add activator a little at a time. If it gets rubbery, soften with a few drops of water and knead. This relaxes bonds. For gloss or stretch, fold in light oil or lotion while kneading. This changes surface friction and elasticity. Keep feeling the texture. Tactile feedback tells you when it's ready for play. To finish, shape the slime and place it in an airtight container. This prevents evaporation and keeps the texture stable. If it crumbles, add a small amount of warm water and knead to rehydrate polymers. If it's too runny, add activator in tiny increments until it firms. Make sure to wait between additions so you don't overactivate. One key troubleshooting tip: if it sticks to skin, rub a little lotion on your hands. Then knead to redistribute oils and reduce tackiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.